Best smart speakers under $50. Budget Echo and Google Nest alternatives. Best smart speakers under $50. Budget Echo and Google Nest alternatives if you've been thinking about jumping into the smart home game but hesitated because of the price tag. I have great news for you. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars to get a quality smart speaker that can control your lights, play your favorite music, and answer your questions. In fact, some of the best smart speakers under $50 offer impressive features that rival devices costing twice as much. Whether you're a smart home beginner or someone looking to expand your existing setup without breaking the bank, this guide will help you find the perfect budget smart speaker for your needs. The smart speaker market has evolved dramatically over the past few years, and that evolution has been great for consumers on a tight budget. Amazon and Google have both released more affordable versions of their popular devices, creating serious competition that pushes prices down across the entire industry. This means you can get genuine voice assistant technology, smart home integration, and quality audio without spending a fortune. The best cheap smart speaker options today offer features that seemed impossible just a few years ago at these price points. Let's start with Amazon's budget offerings. The Echo Dot is probably the most popular budget smart speaker on the market, and for good reason. You can find various generations of the Echo Dot for well under $50, especially during sales events. The Echo Dot gives you access to Alexa, Amazon's voice assistant, which works with thousands of smart home devices. It's compact enough to fit on a nightstand or shelf, and the sound quality has improved significantly in recent generations. If you already own other Amazon devices or prefer Amazon's ecosystem, the Echo Dot is an excellent entry point that won't drain your wallet. Google's answer to the budget smart speaker market is the Google Nest Mini. This device competes directly with the Echo Dot and offers many similar features. The Nest Mini gives you access to Google Assistant, which many people find more natural and conversational than Alexa. If you're already invested in Google's ecosystem with a Gmail account, Google Home app, and other Google devices, the Nest Mini makes a lot of sense. It's small, affordable, and surprisingly capable for the price. The built-in speaker is respectable for a device at this price point, though it's not going to replace a dedicated music speaker. Beyond these two major players, there are some interesting alternatives worth considering. Several third-party manufacturers have created budget smart speakers that work with either Alexa or Google Assistant. These devices often come from companies that focus specifically on affordable smart home technology. Some offer unique features like built-in night lights, alarm clock displays, or better speaker quality than the Echo Dot or Nest Mini. While they might not have the brand recognition of Amazon or Google, many of these alternatives are solid choices if you want something a bit different from the mainstream options. Now, if you want to step up slightly from a basic smart speaker, you might want to consider an affordable smart display instead of just a speaker. Devices like the Echo Show 5 or Google Nest Hub 7 fall right around the $50 mark, especially during promotional periods. An affordable smart display gives you everything a smart speaker does, plus a small screen for visual feedback. You can see weather information, set timers with a visual display, watch recipe videos while cooking, and make video calls. For many people, that extra screen makes the smart home experience significantly better. And you're not paying much more than a basic speaker. When you're shopping for a budget smart speaker, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, think about which voice assistant ecosystem you already use or prefer. If you have an Android phone and use Google services, Google's devices will integrate more smoothly into your life. If you're an Amazon Prime member and use Alexa on other devices, the Echo line makes more sense. Second, consider where you'll place the device. A bedroom might benefit from a smaller speaker, while a kitchen could use something with better sound quality. Third, think about what you actually want to do with it. If you just want to play music and check the weather, a basic speaker is fine. If you want to control smart lights and other devices, make sure the device you choose supports the specific devices you own. The sound quality on budget smart speakers is honestly pretty decent these days. Sure, they won't match a dedicated Bluetooth speaker or a high-end audio system, but they're perfectly fine for listening to podcasts, audiobooks, and music in everyday situations. The Echo Dot and Nest Mini both have small but capable speakers that deliver clear audio at reasonable volumes. If you're someone who really cares about sound quality, you could always pair a budget smart speaker with a separate Bluetooth speaker, getting the best of both worlds without spending a fortune. One thing to remember is that many retailers offer these devices at discounts throughout the year, not just during major sales events like Black Friday. It's worth checking prices regularly if you're not in a rush to buy. You might also find refurbished models at significant discounts, which are often indistinguishable from new devices and come with full warranties. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more budget smart home tips, product picks, and setup guides every week.